If you want to see how I took this plain, simple living room, transformed it, and give it a little facelift from this to this one, stay tuned.
Every change has a reason, baby, let it come.
Okay, so this is what we're working with minus a chair that is right behind me. Do you see that circle? That's where the chair was. Now this is the table. I don't know why she has placemats on them and table runners. I'm not sure why. And I cannot stand this curtain, so we have a new one. She has a small fridge there. I will leave it for her. She's old school, so hopefully she will be happy with my curtain choice. And this is like a basement, so this is why you see that. And also there's a bare wall right there, and I don't mind this wall being bare. You guys know me with walls. But there's a bare wall right there, and all of my items are right over here. And this is I don't know, but this is going away. And I have all the other furnitures there. She chose the rug prior to talking to me. I have to work with it. It is a very pretty rug. It just doesn't go with the style that she wanted, that her and I spoke about. But hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Gladys. I'm a mama of 3. I show you guys how to live a very simple, minimal lifestyle. I also love doing home decorations for people. It's my passion, and I do it on a very low budget. And this one, I tell you, was the lowest budget of them all. But this is a very close family friend to me, so I had to work with whatever budget I had, but it turned out to be so great because her furniture is already so beautiful, and I was pushing things around, and then her daughter-in-law came. She was like, do you need help? I was like, yes, of course. So there she is. How beautiful is she? So she's going to help me. We are going to remove this dreadful curtain, and then we're going to replace it with this beautiful velvety gold one, which is so pretty. In my opinion, I love this velvet curtain. So now I wanted to go ahead and measure the wall and see where all the wall art and mirrors were going to go. So I decided to go ahead and use it. Instead of hanging it low, I wanted to hang it with the little leather belt that you see, the brown one. So I decided to go a little bit higher into the ceiling. And then the daughter-in-law, she was telling me something about she was telling me something about her mother-in-law regarding if she's going to like it or not. And I was like, she's going to love it. You can see my reaction. I was like, excuse me. She's going to love it. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the nail, and then I will bring it up a little bit towards the ceiling. So this is what it looks like for now, and I'm gonna go ahead and move the rug. Listen, I couldn't move the rug and hold the camera at the same time, so I had to move the rug off the camera, but I wanted to show you how I moved it now. And my idea was to push the rug towards the other wall, because that's where the TV stand is, and you'll see what I mean, because I'm going to use the couch to cover it as I'm doing it right now. And I'm telling you, pushing these chairs by myself was not easy, but I tried. And this is exactly where I want it to be. So right now I'm just trying it to see if it will look good there. Now we're gonna go ahead and add this beautiful, oh my god, I have to get these for myself. Like, I'm not a glam girl, but I definitely have some glam pieces, and this is super pretty. It got me thinking, should I get one of these for myself? Because I thought this would look good in her home, but I think this will look good in my home too. And I got these at Ross, just in case you're wondering. to show you how these did not come together. I purchased them separately. The flowers was from Burlington and then the vase was from Ross, and this is how I styled it on the table. I think it turned out super cute. I could have added a lot of things, but I think that being a minimalist affects me in my decoration of even other people, because I tend to add less to things even though it's not my home. But I think she really appreciated the fact that it wasn't cluttered. Now for the reveal, and I hope you guys like it. If you like it, go ahead and thumbs up. But here we go. I think it turned out super cute, so simple, so clean, and for me, clutter free. And that's my thing. Like, if it has clutter, then it's not decorated properly. But I love how the table turned out. But I'm gonna let you guys watch the whole entire video without talking. If you want to see the reaction of the homeowner, please stay tuned. It will be at the end. I love seeing the reaction on camera, and I think they appreciate too, because she wanted me to send her the video of her reaction. So yes, thank you so much guys for watching. God bless you all. Stay tuned for more videos to come. Bye guys. Okay. You're right. Wow.